skibbity. For example, another player, right, on the microphone when you're playing, like skibbity, and you go, yeah, I'm skibbity, yeah, or they go, cheers, mate, yeah. Are you an alpha? And you go, yeah, I'm an alpha. Or they go, are you Sigma? Yeah, I'm Sigma. Yeah, I'm Chester. I'm a Sigma player. Yeah. So stuff like that. Right? But Chester's got a few in his book, right? The book of Chester when I play Fortnite. I'm gonna get up your sleeve, right? I get a little whippersnappers all tongue-tied and twisted and everything. Especially if they're big cheeky little whippersnappers. Don't you worry about me. Welcome to my Fortnite tutorial. And today, right, Chester's got to talk about Fortnite language, like what sort of language you can use when you're playing Fortnite with other players. Yeah. Stand by. Yeah. You'll hear words like skibbity. It's not skibbity, no, it's skibbity. Yeah. They say skibbity. What does it mean? I wouldn't have the foggiest flipping clue, right? But the word is skibbity. And alpha? Yeah. You'll hear other words too when you're playing Fortnite, yeah. And don't you worry, right? Big Chester, right? Fortnite player, yeah. We'll walk you through and talk the talk. You've got to be able to talk the talk if you want to walk the walk in Fortnite, right? You've got to talk like a young fella, yeah. Yeah, don't you worry, right? Fucking Chester's got it all worked out. I'm just gonna load the game up in the background. Stand by! There's a lot of other phrases as well that you can use when you play Fortnite. So you fit in, right? You want to be able to fit into the Fortnite game with the other Fortnite players when you've got the microphone on. So, when you get shot, alright? And you're not dead, you just shot. You've just been winked, right? A little whippersnappers come up and wink you. But you're still wiggling. You can go, Black Hawk down, send medkit, over. Yeah. Like that. Alright? That's fully slick. Yep. And what the Fortnite players in your team will do, if you're still wiggling, they'll come up and salute you and they'll hold that arm out like that, and they'll revive you. Yeah. But every now and again, right, it's probably like, I don't know, 70% of the time you won't get revived. No, because a little whippersnapper that shot you, he'll come back and finish you off while you're still wiggling. And then you're done. And the only hope is get rebooted. Yeah. Go on, back to the video. Yeah, you would say, yeah, if you don't get revived, don't panic. There's every chance you'll get rebooted so you can continue the game. But the worst thing about rebooted is when you land, or when you come back to life, all you get is a raging pistol. You've lost all your Tommy guns and everything, and you just start again with a sucky raging pistol. That's all you get. But that's okay. At least you're still at the game. Stream snipers really rattle my bones, right? What those little whippersnappers are doing is they're watching you play Fortnite, and as soon as you jump off the battle bus and land, after you've picked your favourite landing spot, the little rat bags are there ready to wipe you out and take you out. Those are called stream snipers. Yeah, I get them a lot because I'm a live streamer, and they watch my live stream and they look where I'm landing, and as soon as I land, I open all hell up, old man. Full of more holes than a tea bag. Oh, whippersnappers. One of my favourite terms to use is when I jump out of the battle bus and I go, Fox 5, yeah. Fox 5, yeah. You can use it too, if you want to be a Fortnite player like Big Chester. Yep. So when you jump out of the battle bus, you go, Fox 5, yeah. And then, right, once you've jumped, you can go, Geronimo! Yeah, that's pretty sick, right? And what else was there? Other words you're gonna hear while you're playing Fortnite is camping, stream sniping, hard scoping, for little rat bags, and teaming. I think there's soft scoping. I'm not sure about that one. If it's hard scoping, there's gotta be soft scoping too. Yeah. I hate campers, right? What they're doing, right, is they're in the game, but they don't actually play the game. All they're doing, right, is a group of them, right? There's a group of players that are congregated on the map. And they don't actually play the game. They're waiting for you guys, right, to pretty much eliminate yourselves, and then they come out in about the last minute or two of the game. That's when they start playing the game. As the campers, you'll hear that a lot. You know, people will be going in the chat. They're camping! They're camping! Oh. Yeah. Oh yeah, you can also add in extra phrases too. Right? When you're going to land in a special spot, you can give it your own personal details and your own little quirky little chirpy line there. Yeah, you can mix it up. Yeah. The whole idea of it is bound to talk the talk and walk the walk. Yeah. It's a bit of a tricky one when you're an old fella, yeah, or woman, playing Fortnite, but you'll master you'll master the art of it, don't you worry about that. Don't you worry, right? It's not that hard. Then before you know it, you'll be mixing it up with the lingo and learn how to speak the language in Fortnite gameplay. Yeah. Stay tuned, right? Subscribe with notifications on so you get a new video when I make one. So if you're new to playing Fortnite, you want to play Fortnite, you're an old fella or an old woman over 60 like Jessica, you can get a few hints and tips and tricks on how to be a better Fortnite player or how to play Fortnite right here with Big Chester. So subscribe with notifications on and check out the other videos. I'll be back in heaps of them. Heaps! I'm Big Chester, Fortnite player 63. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video. I'll be back with more. Cut!